guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. My daughter and I stopped by Sam's Club earlier this week, and Sam's Club has out their spring ribbon right now. They have lots of beautiful colors. It is less than $7 a roll. Each roll has 50 yards and it is wired ribbon, so it's really a great deal. I meant to upload this video earlier during the week, but I am really behind. We've had a busy week and some unexpected things have happened, so that's why I'm a little late at uploading this video. Today is February the 11th, 2022, so I hope you find pretty ribbon at your Sam's Club. If you do, let me know.